Shenzhen Hongjingyuan Hardware and Plastic Products Company Limited was founded in 1996. Over past 20 years, we provide OEM and ODM customization services for European and American high-end brands. The factory covers an area of 15,000 square meters and employs more than 238 people, 20 professional technical research and development staff, more than 50 product patents. Company strictly implements ISO 9001 and ISO 14000 quality management system. Promotes and implements 6S management principle. Hongjingyuan, the first company in the industry to introduce international lean production management. Our main products include zinc alloy handles, aluminum alloy handles, aluminum profile handles, leather handles, acrylic handles, ceramic handles, stainless steel handles, modern style handles, American style handles, classic handles, kids handles, furniture knobs, hooks, and other die casting hardware accessories. All raw materials of our products are imported. Adopt modern advanced technology of die casting, hardware, polishing, electroplating, brush wire baking process. We have more than 500 existing types of handles for choice. We have inventory on hand perennially, so we can guarantee the shipping date within 7 days. Hongjingyuan is hardware handle brand that passed 24 hours acid salt spray test. With our own testing equipment, we dedicated to provide customers with quality products and intimate service, mutual benefit, and common development with customers. Your inquiries and visiting will be highly appreciated.